Hello and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be telling you how you can make lots of money with a fairly new cryptocurrency called Pi. Okay, so this new cryptocurrency is a NIE, newly emerging economy, and you can start earning for free by going to the link in the description or by going to the App Store and downloading it right here as shown. Currently, it is on an invitation basis only, so you will have to use someone's invite code. Luckily, I will link mine in the description and show it right here on the screen so that you can use this when registering so that you can start earning money straight away. So all you have to do when you've downloaded it is sign up and press this button every day to carry on earning, but be quick because Pi will be in scarce supply in not long at all. Make sure you do use my code though, or you won't be able to access any of the Pi mining. Thank you very much for watching this short video, and don't forget to download Pi. Also, make sure it is imperative that you use my invite code because you will not be able to start earning any money. But if you do, you can start earning Pi today.